The asteroid that killed the dinosaurs struck Earth during springtime. That in a report at Study Finds, where we invite you to like and subscribe to get the latest information. Now, I don't want to get anyone too nervous, but it's almost spring. New research shows one particular spring day hundreds of millions of years ago spelled the end for the dinosaurs. That, according to a team of European scientists. The research team analyzed thin sections of bones from fishes that died less than an hour after the asteroid hit. Now, how in the world do they know that those fish died an hour after the asteroid hit? We still don't know if there was a shooter in the grassy knoll. Well, here's how they used high-resolution synchrotron X-ray scans and carbon isotope records to reach this conclusion. Well, of course. To study the time of extinction, an international team of scientists traveled to North Dakota to study fossils. The Tanis locality in North Dakota contains fossilized paddlefishes and sturgeons believed to be victims of the Cheek-sha-lu meteorite that killed the dinosaurs. When that asteroid hit Earth, the impact rocked the continental plate. This resulted in massive standing waves across bodies of water all over the planet. Then, within an hour of contact, those waves led to mobilization of gigantic volumes of sediment that buried the fishes alive. On land, shards of the asteroid called spherules rained down from the sky. The prehistoric fish fossils within this area of North Dakota were perfectly preserved. Their bones showed virtually no signs of geochemical alteration. When placed under a synchrotron X-ray, soft tissue from hundreds of millions of years ago remained. Fish bones register seasonal growth, much like trees. Senior study author Joran van der Lubbe said, quote, "The retrieved growth rings not only captured the life histories of fishes, but also recorded the latest Cretaceous seasonality, and thus the season in which the catastrophic extinction occurred," unquote. The distribution, shapes, and sizes of the bone cells, which fluctuate with the seasons, provided more evidence. Dennis Vaten of Uppsala University said, quote, "In all studied fishes, bone cell density and volumes can be traced over multiple years. These were on the rise but had not yet peaked during the year of death," unquote. One paddlefish fossil underwent stable carbon isotope analysis to determine its annual feeding patterns. Importantly, paddlefish love eating zooplankton. Well, everybody knows that. Zooplankton is most abundant in the spring and summer. Well, there you go. Question answered. There's much more detail in the link in the description below on this and other studies at studyfinds.com.